Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got a short video for you guys here. I'm being really busy in the new shop and very happy as well. It's a huge difference to work, with a nice air conditioning system in the shop and, a clean area where you can keep your tools nice and clean and you feel happy to work and come to work every day. All right, so this is 2013 BMW with a N26. It's a 328i. The customer complaint is it has a low oil pressure and warning on the on the instrument cluster. And doing a diagnosis on the car, I found it has also Vanos cold start not controllable and intake camshaft offset. I also did a oil pressure test on the car. For this, you need to get these attachments. I have them. I ordered actually last week. This is for another engine, all original BMW. This is the only way that you're gonna find it. I got it from ECS Tuning. I can, if you guys ask me, I can give you the link so you guys can get it. But yes, as we can see, we got the car starting, and it went up to like almost 25 pounds, and but then it started decaying, and then very low pressure. It's almost like 10, and I stopped it in there because it was actually almost going into leave mode and running really bad. So yeah, I just um, thing that we need to also check, and that's what I got the border scope right now here ready. I'm actually just waiting for the engine to cool down a little. The nice thing with this border scope, this is from Oasis Scientific, is that I can use it with Hotel, the Maxi Video application on the tool. Sorry for the glare, trying to click on that. But yeah, as you can see, already got video from the camera, and this is a very nice tiny camera that I can use for this. And my goal is to go from here and start looking at, as you guys can see right now, the timing chain and see how the guys look and everything. But like I said, I wanted to let it cool down just a little bit. I don't want to get the borescope too hot, the camera in there, and then damage it, which it will not. This is made for automotive use, but that's it. It's a such very short video, not really too much of repair of diagnosis, but also to tell you guys that I'm here and I'll be recording not as much as I used to do because new job, new roles, and also a lot of more work. But I will be keeping you guys posted if it's something interesting that I want to share with you. I will be definitely put them in the channel. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for being my supporters all this time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.